This tutorial guides you through configuring and managing various settings within the Opsiyon ERP platform. You will learn how to navigate the interface, adjust preferences, and manage record details effectively. There are 3 required pieces of information to log into the system. The customer ID is a unique identifier used for your business and branches. Enter your customer ID. When your business is first created, a primary user account derived from your customer ID is automatically generated. This user cannot be updated or deleted. Be sure to change your password upon your first login. We do not recommend using this account for daily operations. Instead, it should be used as a backup account in case you experience access issues with the system. Enter your username. Enter your password and click Login button. You can download and use Opsiyon as a desktop application on your computer. To do this, click this icon in your browser to install the Opsiyon application on your desktop. Opsiyon offers multiple theme and language options. To customize these settings according to your preferences, click the Settings button located in the top right corner. You are currently viewing the interface in dark theme. Click here to switch to the light theme. You can continue using Opsiyon with the theme option of your choice. To change the language, click on the language box. Select the language you want to switch to from the list that appears. The page will refresh and the system language will change instantly. Opsiyon also supports time zones, ensuring that dates and times are always displayed correctly no matter where you are in the world. Opsiyon includes in-app notifications. To access your notifications, click the Notifications button located in the top right corner. In the window that opens, you can view and manage your notifications. For the best experience in Opsiyon, we recommend using it in full screen mode. To enable or disable full screen mode, you can press the F11 key on your keyboard or use the full screen button located in the top right corner. The user you are currently logged in with is displayed in the top right menu. To access user details, click on the username. To change the user password, click the Change Password button. In the window that opens, you can complete the password change process. To log out of the system, click the Log Out button located in the top right menu. In Opsiyon, all data tables used for listing data support dynamic filtering and calculation operations based on the displayed data. You can customize table views and settings, and if the relevant data allows, export it to Excel. To apply dynamic filtering, click the Filter button within the table. Select the column you want to filter. Select the filter type. Enter the value you want to filter by. Click the Apply button to apply the filter. The filters you apply will be displayed in the top left corner of the table. To add another filter, click the Filter button. In addition to your existing filter, click the Add button. Enter the filter details. In this example, we specified that we want to filter values where the name contains Aaron and the price is greater than 20. Click the Apply button to apply the filter. To remove applied filter, click the X icon located on the right side of the filter chips. To perform aggregation operations on table columns, click the Aggregation button. Aggregations can help you analyze your business data more efficiently. For example, you can instantly view the total revenue, average product price, or total quantity sold directly from the table. Select the column you want to perform aggregation on. Select the aggregation type. Click the Apply button to perform the calculation. A row will appear at the bottom of the column where you applied the aggregation. This row displays the result of the aggregation for that column. You can customize which columns are displayed in the table. To do this, click the Columns button. You can hide a column from the table by unchecking the box next to the column you do not want to display. To change the height of the rows in the table, click the Density button. To export the data in the table, click the Export button. To navigate between pages in the table, click on the page numbers. To change the number of rows displayed per page, use the selector located in the bottom right corner. Most texts in Opsiyon are language dependent. The system supports 15 different language options. By default, Turkish and English are enabled. You can manage the languages you want to use and change the system's default language from the settings page in the left menu. All language-dependent data is entered in the same way. The data you enter is displayed according to the language of the QR menu and the system users. If you have not entered a translation for the language used by the user, the system will first try to display the data in the default language. If no value exists there either, the system will display the first available translation it can find. To provide a translation for a specific language, click the flag icon located on the left side of the input field and enter the corresponding value for that language. Every record in Opsiyon includes audit information. By clicking the Info button, you can view who created the record and when, as well as who last updated it and when. You have successfully configured and managed various settings within the Opsiyon ERP platform, including language preferences, data table filters, and user account options.